Everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about another problem. Here we are just going to construct the push down automata only, but here the consider the grammar here. S tends to A tends to A B C, B A, and B tends to B, and C tends to C. So here they have given 4 productions, and when we are looking into these 4 productions, we can easily conclude these 4 productions is in the GNF form. So whenever if you are going to construct a push down automata, at first we have to decide whether the given productions are in the GNF form or not. But here the given productions is in the GNF form. So what I am just going to do it here is directly I can write the transitions. So first I am writing the initial state as del of q0 comma lambda comma z is equal to I can write it as q1 comma s is z. Next I can write the final state also, del of q1 comma lambda comma z is equal to qf comma is z. So this is common for all the productions. So I have written these things. Next what I am just going to do it here is, based on these productions I am just going to write the transitions. First I am taking this production. So I am writing del of initially your machine which will be in the state q0, it will be transistor to q1. Next I am just from the state to q1 I am just going to write the productions. So q1 of, for this one take the input string. So the input string is A. So you can write A here. On the top of the stack that we are going to write it from the non-terminal which is present on the left hand side of your productions. So write S here. So which will be equal to, we can write q1 comma, what's the non-terminal which is present here? So A. Then we can write the del of q1 comma. Next we can write it for the next production. So the first possible input string here is A. So we can write A here. For the input string A, we are having 2 things. One is ABC here, a non-terminal, and here the non-terminal is lambda. So we have to write the transition by considering these 2 productions. So first write a del of q1 comma A comma, and the non-terminal present on the left hand side of the production is A. So we can write A here. And then we can write q1 comma, at first we have to write it for this one. So q1 comma ABC, and then we have to write it for this one, that's why q1 comma lambda. Next del of q1 comma, we have to write the transition for this production. So here the input string is B, so we can write B here. And the non-terminal which is present on the left hand side is uppercase B, and the non-terminals which is present on the right hand side is empty. So here we can write q1 comma lambda itself. In the same way we can write the transition for the next one production. Here the input string is C, so we can write C. And the non-terminal which is present on the left hand side is C. Then closest one. So q1 comma, there is no other non-terminals on the right hand side, so simply we can write like this. We are going to check these things. Next we are going to check whether the string is acceptable by the machine, and what would be the sequence of the while processing the string. Okay, So what we have done here is we have taken the initial state Q0 and the string to be processed is AAA BC, and then the top of the stack is Z. So at first we have to start it with the start symbol. That's why what I am going to do it here is I am just going to write the transition as here I am writing it as Q1 comma AAA BC comma and the start symbol SZ. So I have written like this one. Next I am going to process the first symbol in the string. So here the state is Q1 and the input string is A and the top of the stack is S. So we have to check for the transition of del of Q1 comma A comma S. Here we are having del of Q1 comma A comma S. By that time S is replaced by the non-terminal A. So here we have to write Q1 comma and the rest of the symbols which are not at all processed we have to write it. So AA BC comma S is replaced here by means of the non-terminal A. So here we have to write AZ. Then we are going to process the symbol A here. But the machine is in the state Q1 and the top of the stack is uppercase A. So we have to check for the transition del of Q1 comma A comma uppercase A. So here we are having this transition. So we have to write it here as a turnstile symbol Q1 comma and the rest of the strings yet to be processed. So A, B, C, and while doing here this A is replaced by A, B, C, and another one possibility is this A is replaced by lambda. But here I am going to make use of this one. So here A is replaced by A, B, C and then Z. Then we are going to process this input symbol uppercase, lowercase a, that is terminal A. So we have to check for the transition del of Q1 comma A comma A. Again we are coming here. We are going to take this transition. By this time I am writing Q1 comma BC comma. I am going to take this empty string. That's why here I am writing it as BCZ. Next, the input symbol to be processed is B. So I have to check for the transition del of Q1 comma B comma non-terminal B. So here I am having that transition. So here B is replaced by the empty string. So we can write it as Q1 comma C comma CZ. Next, how can we write here is then the input symbol to be processed is C and your machine is in the state Q1 and the top of the stack is uppercase C, that is non-terminal C. So we can take this transition. Here the C is replaced by empty string. So we can write it as Q1 comma lambda comma Z. So next what we have to do it here means here machine is in the state Q1 and there is no input string. We are just having empty string and the top of the stack is Z. Here itself we have given the transition of Q1 comma lambda comma Z which tends to QF comma Z. It means it reaching the final state. So we can write QF comma Z. So this is the sequence of moves when the machine is processing the input string AAA BC. So in such a way we can define the moves. So what we have done here is at first we have taken the grammar. For the grammar, but first we are checking whether the given grammar is in the GNF form or not. If it is in the GNF form, we can directly write the transition. If it is not at all in the GNF form, at first we have to convert these productions into the GNF form. After converting it into the GNF form, we have to write the transitions. After writing the transitions, even we can trace the sequence of moves when we are passing some input string into the machine that we have seen here. When we are passing the string A, B, C, it reaches the final state. That's why we can conclude this as the string is acceptable by this push down automata. That's all. In case if you are having any doubt, kindly post your queries in the comment section. I hope that you have understood the concept clearly. Thank you so much.